All right, you guys, welcome. It's Michelle from IamMichelleGifford.com, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take that Twitter quote that you quoted and make a graphic out of it for Instagram. So maybe you've seen these floating around on other people's accounts and you're like, hey, that looks awesome. Well, not only does it look awesome, it also is getting me more engagement. So I did a test where I did a regular quote with like a graphic, like it's designed quote, right? And it's beautiful. And I compared that post on Instagram to one where I did just like a pull-out Twitter quote. So if you've ever seen them, it's just like a white blank square and then it's your Twitter quote right there in the middle. And guess what? The Twitter quote is getting so much more engagement. So much more engagement. There's more shares, there's more saves, there's more likes, there's more comments. And so I want to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So to do this, you're going to need two things. You're going to need to have a Twitter account, and you're also going to need to have an Instagram account. So those two things. So you're going to open your Twitter account and find a tweet that you have tweeted, okay? So here's mine. And all you're going to do is you're just going to screenshot it. So if you don't know, you can screenshot it by clicking both side buttons. If you do it right here on your iPhone, and it screenshots it, okay? Then you're going to come over to your Instagram account, okay? And you're going to open Instagram and you're going to go to your stories, like you're going to create a new story. All right, then you're going to click on the button at the bottom and you're going to see your tweet come up, okay? Now you're going to just pinch it to resize it so it's a little bit smaller. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the writing, the little squiggle line up at the top. And you're going to be on white and you're going to just tap on the screen and hold it down. Okay? And what that should have done is whited out your screen completely. Now up at the top, you're going to the far right, you're going to see an eraser button. Okay? You're going to do that and make it a little bit bigger. And then you're just going to erase where the tweet is. Now I did a little bit more, so I'm going to try that again. All right, once I'm done with that, then I'm going to save it, okay? I'm going to push the arrow up at the top and I'm going to save it. And now it's saved. Now all I have to do is go to my Instagram feed and do another post. And I just position it where I want it. And then that's it. So it's not very hard to do. You don't need any kind of other app. You just need Twitter. You need to have a Twitter account and you need an Instagram account. And it's as easy as that. You can post. And I'm going to tell you, I got more engagement, more likes, more saves on my first try with this. So hopefully use it. If you use it, will you tell me about it in the comments? I want to know how it went for you and if it worked for you and if you have any questions. And if you're liking this content, please subscribe. I love helping you grow your business online.